listen, before this tour started, I said, I've got this song and it's called No One Likes a Fat Pop Star. And I wear a fat suit and he'll pick me up over the audience and everybody will laugh, ha 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 ha. What I didn't know is, every night, the contraption that pulls me up is going to make my balls go into my stomach. I'm in pain right now. I do this for your entertainment. No luncheon, just carpets and munching, a thimble of self-esteem. Glazed nothing for afters, the absence